Today what I want to show you is probably the best magnetic door stopper. This is the second which I got. I already have one for the long time. It functions like this. This is the part which goes on the floor. You have an option to drill it or to use a 3M tape which you get in the package. I prefer to use a 3M tape for the floor because there is no need to drill it, and by using it you can remove it at later date if it's needed. It works like this. This is the part which goes on the door. This is the fixed part on the floor, and when the door opens, the magnet gets locked like this, and basically the door is fixed. This is a door which have this on it already for a long time. It is an old door, so I use the screws to fix the part which goes on the door, and this is fixed with 3M tape. It is basically the same model. The shape is a bit different, but it is everything, the function is the same. As you can see, the magnet locks in. You can't push the door completely to the wall because I decided how much I want for the door to be able to go, and the magnetic force is not allowing the door to go back. The only way for door to go back is for you to push it like this. The great thing about this mechanism is that when this part is movable, it goes up and down, and when you close the door you can with ease vacuum the floors, clean them up. There is no part which will make a problem. This is the place where in my bedroom where I want to place this magnetic door holder. As you can see, I want it to lock at this position like this. It will be a bit tricky to set everything up because it is not really reachable. This is the part where you need to be extra careful. I drilled this magnetic part on the door, and as you can see, the door is in really bad shape. It is fresh for restoration or replacement, but that is not important right now. You want to check if the magnet is latching, and as you can see, in my case it is good. So you need to check that before you drill this part on the door. You don't want to be in a situation that when door moves close to these magnetic parts, it doesn't latch. You want to avoid that, so you don't need to drill door the 2 times. If you have a brand new door, you don't want to drill it, you can just use 3M tape, which is also provided, but with door like this, the screws is the best option. And now it is a bit tricky part in my case because I have this bedroom furniture right here. You want to mark where to tape this. When you correctly mark it, you then use 3M tape to fix it on its right spot. Before using 3M tape, be sure to use some degreaser on your floor so you get the best possible adhesive grip. I did take some pre-measurements, and this should be a final position. I fixed it without 3M for now, just to double check if everything is fine. And as you can see, this is the maximal position. The door is not hitting ceramics, which is great, and we can use now a 3M tape. And let's see how it works. It holds perfectly. It's not hitting ceramic tile, it's really close, but I hope you can see. The grip is really good. The door would probably go back like this, but now they don't, they stay in place. It is really nice. I like it. My warm recommendation, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask, and please consider subscribing. Until next time, see ya.